Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. On a huge request, today I'm sharing a recipe for crispy chicken burger, aka Zinger Burger. Not only sharing a recipe, but I'm making a delicious KFC style Zinger sauce and amazing coleslaw as well. So let's go and make it happen. To make this delicious burger, first we need some boneless chicken pieces. You can use breast part of the chicken as well, but I prefer to use thigh parts. This will make your zinger burgers more juicier and tender from inside. So just take all the fillets and I'm arranging fillets on a shallow dish. Then I'll be seasoning them with some salt and red chili powder. So I'm just sprinkling some salt and then red chili powder on one side of the fillet. Then I will give it a good massage with my hand, and then I flip it and repeat the same thing. Sprinkle some salt and red chili powder, and then again rub it very thoroughly so all the seasoning will infuse in the chicken, like so. Then I'll put another fillet on top of it and I'll repeat the same process, like season it with some salt and red chili pepper. And then after I was done with all the fillets, I'm again giving them a good massage so all the seasoning will get infused, and now I'm adding some vinegar. So after adding the vinegar, I am again rubbing it in the vinegar so when they get the vinegar in there as well. Then I'm arranging them and then I will cover and let it marinate for at least 4 to 6 hours, or I prefer to do it overnight. So after doing that, let's go and make our zinger sauce, which I make a day before also. So in a mixing bowl, I'm adding some ketchup, mayonnaise and chili garlic sauce. For a kick, you can add a little bit of crushed red chili peppers as well. So mix everything well. Then I transfer this amazing sauce into a bowl and leave it in the fridge until the next day when I am making my zinger sauce. Till then, I am making coleslaw as well for you guys, and I'm making the coleslaw the same day. Don't do that day before, it's gonna leave some water. So in a mixing bowl, I'm adding some mayonnaise, sour cream, celery salt, mustard powder, some vinegar and sugar. Mix everything well with salt and pepper, and then it will be a coleslaw dressing. Then I'm adding some regular classic coleslaw shredded mix. I'm adding just half of a bag. Mix everything well with the dressing and your coleslaw is ready to serve. Now it's time to take out our zinger from the fridge. The very next day I took out from the fridge, and here you can see all the chicken is completely covered with this vinegar and red chili pepper. Everything did their work. So what I did, I transferred these fillet into a strainer, which I put it over a bowl so it will catch all the drippings, and leave it there for like 5-10 minutes. Until then, I am preparing a seasoned flour for my zinger. For that, I'm adding flour in a mixing bowl with some salt, red chili pepper, baking powder and dried mustard powder. Mix everything well. You can sift the flour as well, and for extra kick you can add crushed red chili peppers as well. Now take each piece of your marinated fillet and dredge them in the seasoned flour very carefully. Cover all the sides and then transfer this fillet on a prepared tray in a single layer, and then put this tray into the fridge for at least 25 to 30 minutes. I am preparing another tray here. It's a baking sheet lined with foil and a grill pan, and I'll show you later how I use this. So now after putting them in the fridge, you can see that it soak up all the flour as well. Now I am coating in the flour, seasoned flour again, and then I'm transferring into hot oil, which is preheated on 350 degrees. Now if you don't have a fryer, you can use a regular any other pot, but which should have a lid. What lid will do, it will create that steam and your chicken will cook through from inside completely. After that, I turn it and cook it for another 3 minutes, and then I left it uncovered for at least a minute so you'll get a crispy top as well. Then I transfer this into this prepared tray. This tray, what will do is will allow the extra oil drip down, and it doesn't make our chicken soggy. What I do, I put this tray into the oven until I complete all my chicken, and my oven should be preheated on like around 200 and 250 degrees. This will cook our chicken more if it's somehow tender and keep it crispy. I'm just putting some mayo on the burger buns and then arranging some chopped lettuce on that, and then I'm putting my crispy chicken cooked fillet on it, and then I'm putting some cheese slice. You can put the cheese right now, you can put it in oven so cheese will get melted, or you can serve it like this. Then I'm adding some delicious Zinger sauce, and then I'm covering this burger with the burger bun top, and that's how you make your Zinger burger. This is the no fail and perfect recipe. The fillets are juicy and tender from inside, but crispy and amazing fillets from outside. They are exactly like you get in KFC, but you can try this recipe at home now. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.